Today I'm going to show you how to make black crumpled towel mockup in Adobe Photoshop. First, open your quick selection tool from the toolbar and click and drag over the black towel to select it. Press Ctrl J to cut the towel from its background. Next, let's make this black towel white so that when we apply blending mode later, multiply will work. So let's just click on the adjustment layer icon, then create a new curves. Click on the clipping mask icon. Then hold the Alt key and drag this rightmost slider to the left, and when you gradually see white colors like this, stop it by releasing your mouse. Now select the two layers by holding down Shift key. Then right-click on it and convert it to Smart Object. Let's name it Towel. Go to Filter, Blur, and Gaussian Blur. I'll make the radius 4 pixels. To save it to your folder, just go to File and Save As, or save a copy. I'm going to name this Displacement. And from this drop-down menu, choose PSD file format. Then press Save. Now delete this Smart Filters. Then from the toolbar, open your Rectangle tool and click and drag to draw a rectangle. Drag the opacity slider all the way to 30%. Right-click of this shape layer and convert it to Smart Object. Press Ctrl T to free transform. Right-click and choose the Distort. Now use these corner handles to distort the shape and match it to your towels. Press Enter on your keyboard. Double-click on this and rename it Place Pattern. Go to Layer and create Clipping Mask. Now double-click the thumbnail to place your pattern. Just go to the file, place Embedded, and place your second image. Adjust the size and position. Hit Enter once you're satisfied. Let's go back to the file and choose Save, and then close the document. Now go to Filter, Distort, and Displace. I'll make the horizontal and vertical scale 12, the displacement map stretch to fit, and the undefined areas wrap around. Then press OK. Open your displacement PSD file that you saved earlier and change the blending mode of this layer from normal to multiply. Click on the adjustment layer icon, then create a new solid color. In this color picker, choose white. Name the top layer Highlights. Go to Layer and choose the clipping mask. Change the blending mode to Soft Light. I'll decrease the opacity all the way to 23%. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching.